Hello dear students, I'm Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting this video, I would like to say something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, then note it and proceed further. And although you have facing any problem or difficulties, please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you. Now here is the question. A uniform rope of length L lies on a table. If the coefficient of friction is mu, then the maximum length L1 of the part of the rope which can overhang from the edge of the table without sliding down is. Here we have given four options. Option A, L by mu. Option B, L by mu plus L. Option C, mu L upon 1 plus mu. Option D, mu L upon mu minus 1. In this question, we have given a rope. Some part is lying on the table and some part is hanging. And that part which is hanging, its length is given L1 and total mass considered M. And we have to find out L1 in the ratio of total length. Okay. So here, that part which is lying on the table, applying some friction force in this direction because it is moving in right hand side. Okay, so we know that friction force is equal to mu n. So here n is applied upward direction. So weight of the rope, which weight? Here weight, that part of the line on the table. Okay, so here let us first we have to find out the weight. How we can get the weight? Let us first we have to find out mass per unit length. Here mass is given m and total length is L. Okay, this is mass per unit length. And what is the part which is lying on the table? Total length is L and this part is hanging, subtracting. So we get here mass of this rope which is lying on the table and multiply by G. Now it become weight. Okay, so here Fs equal to mu in the place of normal force, because this is the weight, is equal to normal force. So here substitute this value, m by L minus L1 into G. Okay, it is clear. Now second part. Second part, that is the weight. We have to find out the weight which is hanging. So here again mass per unit length m by L, that is the same for all the rope, and multiply this L1. This is the mass of this rope which is hanging, and multiply by G. Now we get the weight of the hanging part. So this is the weight which is hanging part is m by L and L1 into G. It is the first equation, and now second equation, and the balance condition. In the balance condition, this friction force and weight of hanging part subscription in L1. Okay. For our convenient, we have given the name L1, WL1. So Fs, what is the value of Fs? Mu m by L minus L1 into G equal to m by L into L1 into G. Okay, m by L get cancel out, G cancel out. So here remaining part mu into L minus L1 equal to here L1 mu L1 equal to L1, multiply and open the bracket. So now transposing this term of minus mu L1 right side, it become positive L1 plus mu L1. Here L1 get common, 1 plus mu. So L1 equal to mu L upon 1 plus mu. So it is the correct answer. And I hope so you understood this question. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely for your success, all the credit goes to your hard work. But if my video will help for your success, then I will consider myself lucky. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.